this video, I'm going to be sharing what I use to fuel and feed my fine Afro-textured locks and also to continue to cultivate healthy skin, just picked from my garden. Stay tuned. Greetings, this is Body-Culinary, and I just picked some things out of the garden because I'm really hungry. So I got some fresh collards out of here and some red leaf lettuce and some cilantro. And some bok choy, and there's also some mustard greens in here. So the mustard greens and the collards and the bok choy is doing really well. So these are really peppery. They have a lot of sulfur in it. All these greens have also a lot of calcium in it, especially the bok choy. Aren't they pretty to get out of the garden? And then these collards are doing really good too. So I just made some fresh coconut cream with my Grandma Lou style coconut grater, and I'm gonna go squeeze some and press some fresh coconut cream. Well, I just pressed the coconut cream, and I took that seed that was out of that coconut, and now I'm gonna make a dish, and I'll share with the dishes over on the Instagram. So do subscribe to the channel so you can be updated whenever I'm uploading a new video. Check out the puppet series, Sister Butterfly, Sister Monkey, Learn to Eat Better. There are 10 free episodes over on this Body-Culinary channel and 3 episodes up on Body-Culinary on Instagram.